Chapter 2: Advanced Features of Windows 10. Pre-processing. Switching between running programs, working with multiple desktops, Windows Search, Action Center, Movies and TV app, Cortana, Calendar app, Groove Music app. Microsoft Windows 10 is one of the most popular operating systems. It is also one of the most used versions of the Windows operating system family. It has several new features which make it easier to use and more efficient than earlier versions of the Windows operating system. Let us learn about some features of Windows 10. Switching between running programs. Windows 10 supports multitasking. It enables you to run more than one program at the same time. For example, you can use an image editing software to draw a picture, a music player to listen to music, and an antivirus software to scan your hard disk at the same time. Multiple program windows opened on the desktop make it unorganized and difficult to open the window of the required program. You can easily switch from one program to another using either the taskbar or the keyboard. Switching between running programs using taskbar. The taskbar displays the icons of programs currently running on the desktop, marked by a blue line under the icon. To switch from one program to another, 1. Move the mouse pointer over the icon of the program on the taskbar you want to switch to. Windows displays a thumbnail of the program window. 2. Click the thumbnail of the program. The selected program window appears in front of the other windows. Switching between running programs using Task View. The Task View is a new feature in Windows 10. You can use it to quickly switch between currently running programs. To switch between running programs using Task View, 1. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. Windows displays thumbnails of all running programs on the screen. 2. Click the thumbnail of the program you want to switch to. The selected program window is displayed in the front. Roundabout. Press and hold the Alt key. Press the Tab key to see the thumbnails of all running programs. Press the Tab key repeatedly until the thumbnail of the program you want to switch to is highlighted. Release the Alt key. The selected program window is displayed in the front. Working with multiple desktops. Windows 10 allows you to create multiple desktops, each with its own running program windows. Each desktop includes the windows of the programs that you have opened on it. It makes your computer screen easier to manage and less cluttered. For example, you may have a desktop for Office applications, Word and PowerPoint, and another desktop for image editing applications, Paint and Tux Paint. You can add a new desktop, switch from one desktop to another, and move programs from one desktop to another using the Task View button on the taskbar. To add a new desktop, 1. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. Windows displays thumbnails of all running programs on the screen. 2. Click the New Desktop button. Windows creates a new desktop. The original desktop is shown as Desktop 1, while the new desktop is shown as Desktop 2. To switch between desktops, 1. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. The thumbnails of all running desktops are shown at the top of the screen. The thumbnails of programs running on the current desktop are shown in the upper part of the screen. 2. Click the desktop you want to use. Windows switches to the selected desktop and displays programs running in it. To move a program from one desktop to another, 1. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. Windows displays thumbnails for each running program on the current desktop. 2. Right-click the thumbnail of the program you want to move to another desktop. A menu appears. 3. Click the Move To option and select a desktop. Windows moves the program to the selected desktop. To delete a desktop, 1. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. Windows displays thumbnails for each running program on the current desktop. 2. Click the cross button on the thumbnail of the desktop you want to delete. The selected desktop is deleted. The programs running on the desktop are shifted to another existing desktop. By default, one desktop always remains present in Windows 10. Windows Search. A computer usually has a large number of programs and files on it. Thus, searching for a specific program or file may take a long time. Sometimes you may want to change a setting in Windows but not know where the relevant option can be found. Windows 10 provides the search feature to quickly search for programs, system settings, and files on your computer as well as on the internet. The search box is located next to the Start button on the taskbar. It also lets you refine the process to search for specific types of items such as programs, documents, videos, and music. To search for an item on the computer, 1. Click on the search box. The search screen opens and displays a list of recently opened programs, files, or settings. It also displays items from the internet that might interest you. 2. Type your search text. Windows displays a list of programs, settings, and files with names that include your search keyword. 3. Click the item you want to open. Windows opens the selected program, file, or setting. Knowledge discovery. If the item you want to locate is not displayed in the search results, click one of the options at the top of the search screen to refine your search. Cortana. Cortana is a virtual productivity assistant in Windows 10. It helps you save time and focus attention on the work at hand. It can open programs, set appointments, manage your email, give directions on maps, search for information on your computer and the internet, and do much more. Cortana works well with voice-based commands. You can use Cortana to perform tasks such as manage calendar events, join a meeting in Microsoft Teams, create and manage to-do lists, set reminders and alarms, find facts, definitions, and information from the internet, and open programs on the computer. The Cortana icon is present on the taskbar next to the search icon. To use Cortana, 1. Click the Cortana icon on the taskbar. A window appears asking you to log into your Microsoft account. Once you log into your account, Cortana asks how she can help you. 2. Type your command and click the Send button. Cortana executes the command accordingly and opens a program, file, setting, or displays related information from the internet. The images display how Cortana can help you with different tasks. Knowledge discovery. Cortana gets her name from the Microsoft game Halo, in which Cortana was a virtual AI assistant. Cortana changes her voice accent according to your region. In the USA, she gets an American accent. In the UK, she gets a British accent. And in China, she speaks Chinese. Action Center. The Action Center in Windows 10 is the place to view alerts and notifications from various apps. It also lists various maintenance messages that help you take actions to run Windows smoothly. It displays emails and calendar events too. It offers options to connect a computer to other devices and change settings in Windows 10. To use the Action Center, 1. Click the Action Center button on the right side of the taskbar. The Action Center pane opens and displays notifications and messages. It displays options for changing different settings in the bottom part of the pane. 2. Click a notification to view its details and take the appropriate action. Knowledge discovery. Microsoft Store is the online marketplace for various apps and games for Windows 10 users. You can download apps from the Microsoft Store and install them on your computer in the Microsoft Store. Some apps are free while others are paid. Calendar app. The Calendar app enables you to organize and manage events such as classes, project work, and revision schedule. To start the Calendar app, 1. Click the Start button. The Start menu appears. 2. In the list of programs, click Calendar. The Calendar app opens. The left side of the window displays a monthly mini calendar. The right side of the window displays a larger calendar. By default, the Calendar app opens with the current month view. You can change the view to day, week, month, or year by clicking the required view button at the top of the calendar window. Knowledge discovery. You can navigate to different days, weeks, months, and years by using the navigation buttons present on the top of the calendar window. Click the Today button to go to the current date. You can add events in the Calendar app for various tasks, activities, and occasions. To add an event, 1. In the Calendar app, click the New Event button. The untitled Event Calendar screen appears. 2. Type a name for the event in the Event Name text box. 3. Type the location of the event in the Location text box. 4. Click the Start Date Picker and select the start date for the event. 5. Click the End Date Picker and select the end date for the event. 6. Specify the start time and end time for the event in the respective time boxes. 7. Type a description for the event in the Event Description text box. 8. Click the Reminder box and select the time at which you want a reminder for the event to appear. 9. Click the Save button. The event is created and displayed in the calendar. Movies and TV app. The Movies and TV app enables you to organize and play videos, such as movies and TV shows stored on your computer. To start the Movies and TV app, 1. Click the Start button. The Start menu appears. 2. In the list of programs, click Movies and TV. The Movies and TV app opens. It displays a list of videos on your computer. To play a video, 1. Click the video you want to play. The video opens in the video player. It displays various options to control the video playback. 2. Use any of the following options to control the playback. Groove Music app. The Groove Music app lets you manage and play music files stored on your computer. To start the Groove Music app, 1. Click the Start button. The Start menu appears. 2. In the list of programs, click Groove Music. The Groove Music app opens. It displays music files on your computer arranged under different categories such as albums, artists, and songs. To play a song, 1. Double-click the song you want to play. The song is played. The music player bar at the bottom of the window provides options to control the music playback. 2. Use any of the following options to control the playback. Knowledge discovery. By default, the Movies and TV and Groove Music app pick videos and songs from the Videos and Music folders, respectively, on your computer. You can add music files from the folders of your choice by adding the required folders to the app. Database. Microsoft Photos, the free photo viewer and editor included with Windows 10, offers competent image editing and photo enhancements with a simple and friendly interface. You can mark up images with drawings, add background music and 3D effects to videos, and search more easily with automatic object tagging. Microsoft Photos is an excellent tool for working with digital images. Post-processing. Windows 10 supports multitasking and lets more than one program run at the same time. The Task View feature lets you switch between running programs. Windows 10 supports multiple desktops, each with its own running program windows. Windows Search lets you search for programs, files, and settings on the computer and information from the internet. Cortana is the virtual productivity assistant in Windows 10 that helps you perform tasks using voice or text commands. Action Center displays notifications, maintenance messages, and options to change settings in Windows 10. Windows provides inbuilt programs called apps such as Calendar, Movies and TV, and Groove Music, enabling users to perform common tasks.